Filing a complex tax return can be stressful, but TurboTax Live and H&R Block Online Assist are designed to make it easier. Both services provide access to tax experts who can guide you through deductions, credits, and complicated situations. The main difference is in how you interact with these professionals and how the platform supports your filing. Knowing what each offers can help you choose a solution that fits your comfort level and filing style. TurboTax Live integrates expert help directly into the filing process. You can connect with a tax professional through live chat or video while completing your return. The platform walks you through questions step by step, flags potential errors, and helps ensure accuracy. This method is great if you want immediate guidance, but still like to maintain control over your filing. TurboTax also includes a satisfaction guarantee, giving extra peace of mind that your return is handled correctly. H&R Block Online Assist offers a more personalized approach. You can speak with a tax professional by phone or live chat, allowing for interactive guidance. Their experts explain complicated tax situations clearly and guide you through every step, helping you understand how decisions affect your return. The platform is straightforward, and their price match guarantee ensures you get competitive value for professional assistance, making it a good option if you value clarity and support. In the end, TurboTax Live is ideal for those who want help integrated seamlessly into the filing experience. H&R Block Online Assist works well if you prefer personal interaction and thorough explanations. Both services reduce stress and make complex returns manageable. Your choice should reflect how much guidance you want, how you like to communicate with professionals, and the level of confidence you want while filing your taxes.